everyone, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Before we get into today's video, go ahead and head on over to my Instagram. My handle is going to be right here on the screen. Every day up until Christmas Eve, I'm going to be opening my advent calendar. So if you want to see what I got today, go ahead and head on over. So into today's video, I know you see me here with this stocking cap on my head. Like you already know, today it's gonna be a hair video, and I'm gonna be sharing with you a really simple and really easy hairstyle just in time for the holidays. The holidays are stressful and you don't need your hair to stress you out. So with that, we have today a headband wig by Wigs. Now no, this video is not sponsored, but I just had to come and drop this gem with you girls or guys because I am in love with this unit. So this unit came all nicely packaged in a black box featuring gold rating, and what I really love about it is that it came with a drawstring bag. The hair came with a drawstring bag, it came with 2 headbands, and it also came with 2 wig caps, so you cannot go wrong. And the drawstring bag, don't get it twisted, you can use that for multiple things. You could put a whole set of things in that. So yeah, so this is what the hair itself looks like. What I have here is a 16-inch natural color kinky straight unit, and let me just go ahead and open it so that you can see. And also, I cannot remember offhand how much I paid, but I will put it up on the screen for you to see as well. So this is the headband right here, really nice, really stretchy, and it has a Velcro which makes it adjustable as well, and it also has a comb in the back of the unit. And yeah, there's actually a comb in the front, a comb at either side, which would be, I guess, by near your ear, and then a comb at the back. So a total of 4 combs in all. Now I'm not gonna lie, the hair does have some gray strands throughout, but that's not a problem for me because I dye all of my units to match my hair anyway. But there are not a ton of them. It comes as a, to me it looks like maybe a number 4 or a number 2, a dark brown. So yeah, just be mindful of that. So I think I talked enough. What I am gonna do is I'm just gonna take out my edges, lay them down, and it is as simple as putting this headband wig on. So let's go. Okay, so my edges are laid, nothing fancy, just a little couple swoops. What I'm gonna do now is just simply apply this headband wig. So what I find is easy to do because the velcro tends to get trapped in here, especially this texture, is I went ahead and I basically secured the unit already to the loosest it can go, and then I will adjust it once the velcro is, well, once the unit is on my head. So as you can see, the fit is not snug, and that's because I did not adjust it. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust it right now. And then I'm just gonna make sure that I go in with the combs and secure, because we don't want this to fall off, no, do we? That would not be a good look. So this is the end result. You cannot tell me that this was not easy, quick, simple, and gorgeous. And let me give you a little insight. This is actually a necklace that I just tucked and pinned into the headband. So you can get creative and innovative with what you have in your closet, in your wardrobe, in your jewelry stash. Be creative. So as I said, there's nothing more that I can say about this unit. I am absolutely in love, and I am thinking that this kinky straight is my favorite texture, because you don't have to worry about flat ironing it. You can still get straight looks, but you can also curl it, and this holds a curl really well. This was affordable. It is an excellent length, and it is so quick and easy. Just what you want for the holidays, because you don't need your hair to stress you out when you have other things to do. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, or at least entertaining. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and stick around for tomorrow's video, because as you know, we are doing Vlogmas every day up until Christmas. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.